Hey, what's going on, guys? So, quick video. I got a bunch of different OC spray for work, and I got a couple of the smaller bottles. And one of the accessories here, or package deals, I guess, was a visor clip. So I like this so much, I'm actually just putting it in my truck. I'm not even using it in a work vehicle. And you can see how it works here, but I just kind of want to show you off. I'll put all this together and show you what that looks like on the visor. But also I want to say that I do like the gels over the sprays. The reason is if it's a windy day or something, or if it's a crowd, like there's people, you know, nearby, there's less of a chance of the mist going in where it's not supposed to. The worst case scenario ever is that you pull pepper spray to use it on someone, you know, at work or privately, and the wind blows it right back in your own face. That's like the worst case scenario. So the gel just minimizes that. But I like the Sabre Red. There's a bunch of different options on the market. A lot of the stuff that I got also has the UV ink in there as well. All right, so anyway, I'll show you what it looks like in just a second. All right, so there you see it. It's very, very simple. Just goes on the top side here. All right, and this just slips out really easily if you need to get to it quickly. But yeah, it's a really good system. Simple. I mean, you guys know I always carry the gun. The OC spray is a fantastic option. Maybe a road rage situation, who knows? Someone comes up to your window for whatever reason. You don't want to shoot the person, but you kind of want to make a point and get them away from you. You know, maybe you like to see this as an option. Options are good. So that's all. Just wanted to share that with you. And also mention that I happen to like the gels. These small canisters have the trigger, I guess we'll call it, where you have a safe mode. You slide this over and then you push down to use it. Whereas the larger ones have the flip top cap, so you don't accidentally push down, but you put your thumb in there, flip up, and then, you know, squeeze down. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Wanted to share with you guys. Thanks for watching. These are pretty affordable, by the way, so, you know, if you think it's something you ever need, you don't have to be rich to get stuff like this. Just make sure you look at the Best Buy dates and, you know, dispose of them when necessary. Last thing you want is to use something that's not going to function properly when it's time to use it. But anyway, that's all. Some pepper gel. Got to be prepared. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Take care.